The Boring Company, a tunneling firm founded by Elon Musk, received a fine of about $500,000 for dumping wastewater at 2 sites across its Las Vegas project, Fortune reported. Musk's company wants to build a network of tunnels beneath cities to decrease traffic congestion. The company's website mentions that it has received approval for 68 miles of tunnel and 104 stations for its Vegas loop. However, Clark County Water Reclamation District reportedly caught the company dumping fluids and spoils into 2 manholes and 2 on-site cleanouts. A notice of violation cited by Fortune stated that the actions led to, quote, substantial damage and required water agency crews to clean 12 cubic yards of mud, spoils, and solid waste from a sewage treatment facility. Fortune reported that an anonymous complaint in August tipped CCWRD. According to the agency, district inspectors ordered the staff at the project site to stop releasing the fluids, but the staff refused. Regulators stated that when inspectors reiterated their command the next day, Boring Superintendent Filippo Fazzino disconnected the on-site cleanouts and later reattached them, assuming the inspectors had left the property. A cease and desist letter cited by Fortune claimed that Fazzino then falsely stated discharging began the previous night. The letter suggested that Fazzino's claim, combined with refusal to stop during the first inspection, proved the actions were, quote, knowing and intentional. CCWRD issued Boring more than $493,000 in fines, including over $131,000 to address the fluid dumping. Fortune noted that the company agreed not to expand operations until meeting certain conditions. A letter to the agency from Boring also acknowledged the improper discharge of water into the sewer system, despite county rules that require pre-treatment of water and fluids before disposal. The drilling fluids and spoils seem to refer to a toxic liquid that accumulates at the bottom of tunnels during drilling. The liquid can contain various chemicals that, according to an OSHA report last year, have caused scarring to Boring workers. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.